Wense ya Kenya William Ruto araire Egeikaro kyo gochora ekomiti egochia kurigereria emeroberi ao asti sector ao chobo mobwe chinse cha Africa nigara Egeikaro kyo Goetera asenchera yo Omotandao rit korigoro korwa senyomba yoborai bwense igaiga asomucho Nairobi.
I am confident that through our collective wisdom and shared resolve, this committee will chart a coherent and holistic roadmap for reform, one that strengthens governance structures, secures financial sustainability, revitalizes our peace and security mechanisms, and enhances operational efficiency to deliver a truly fit-for-purpose Africa Union. This meeting also allows us to engage strategically on the progress achieved thus far, assessing remaining gaps, and offer the necessary political guidance to steer our union towards greater institutional coherence and efficiency. Your Excellencies, we are meeting at a pivotal moment of our continent. Rising debt burdens, the contraction of external development support, and the resurgence of conflict and insecurity are placing immense pressure on our peace, security, and governance infrastructure. Concurrently, the global order is undergoing profound transformation shaped by multipolarity, geopolitical fragmentation, and rapid technological advancement. These external shifts, coupled with our internal realities, underscore the urgency of completing the institutional reforms of our union to enhance its effectiveness and resilience in navigating the rapidly evolving global landscape.